she likes it this way. You know she's never gonna ask you if you feel the same. The fever, and addiction, was it worth it? Did she give your life away? The fever, a desperate religion, and all that she can say is give me just a little bit. 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 A train that never stops rolling, it's getting into your blood. A need that never stops growing, she's a poison.